everyone, Chelsea and Alice here from So Simple Home. Today we are excited to share with you this month's Creative Girls Club kit. Now if you aren't familiar with the Creative Girls Club, it's a fun monthly kit club designed for girls ages 7 to 12. And how old are you? 7. So this is perfect. These projects are going to teach new skills like painting, beading, stitching, and a ton more. Each month she's going to get 2 different creative and fun projects in the mail. And that means that she can get crafting and learning right away. All the supplies are included in the kit, except for a few things like glue or tape for various projects. The Creative Girls Club also has a guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied, you can cancel your membership at any time, no obligation. And these are fun, kid-friendly projects. They're kid tested and approved. They're going to help her grow creatively, and really, you're going to enjoy them to do these projects with her as well. This month, we're going to share with you these fun dream blocks. Can you show them? And we're going to show you some fun and interesting ways that you can paint these blocks using a bit of tape and the fun paints that come with the kit. We'll go through the supplies you need and how to do it here in the video. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to start our dream blocks, and you can see them right here. You can see them a little bit better on the back here. But what you're going to do is you're going to have these blocks that come in your kit, and you have 5 different paint colors. In the directions, they want you to paint each of the blocks a different color. But we're going to show you how to do some fun designs so your blocks are different colors. So there's a couple supplies you need. You're going to want some type of paper, a paper plate, some construction paper, some type of paper you can put your paint on and that you can paint your blocks on so you don't get your surface yucky. Acrylic paint does not come off clothes and it does not come off of surfaces once it's dry. So you want to make sure that you have something that's going to protect your surface. You also want to have a nice wet rag that's going to help if you need to wipe your hands, wipe your paintbrush, wipe your surface, whatever. Last, you're going to need some type of tape. You can use a washi tape. That's what this is right here. It's just a small roll of tape. You can use painter's tape. That's what this is. You can use masking tape. You just want tape that will not ruin the surface of your wood and will keep the paint from seeping to the other side. All right, let's show you a couple of the different ways that you can paint your blocks instead of just painting them one color. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our block. We want to make sure it's nice and dusted off. We don't want any dust on there, the paint won't work. And then we're using painter's tape. So this is a long piece of painter's tape. And what I've actually done is cut them into strips so that they're a little bit smaller or not quite as thick or wide. And we're just going to tape them around the block. So we'll tape this one and then we'll tape another one maybe like this. Yeah, you like that? And you want to make sure your tape goes around the side on both sides, because you can see on this block we have the interesting designs on the sides as well. Okay, and then maybe we start one right here and go over. Actually, let's go this way. Like this and go across. And then let's do one more right here. What do you think? You like that? Now we have different sections that we can paint different colors. While she's painting, I'm going to show you another option you have. So for this block, we're just doing 2 different colors. So you'll need a piece of tape, and I just did a full piece, and I'm going to go maybe the opposite direction. And you just kind of wrap it around the sides. Okay, so I have this diagonal. Okay, so I'm going to start with the blue up top, and I'm just going to paint over like this. All right, so this is the one we painted blue. We're gonna peel off our tape here. Kind of see it there. Now you have two options. You can either put another piece of tape over what you painted after it's dried, like this. Or you can just freehand it if you're comfortable with that. We'll paint the bottom of this one with the purple. And there you go. Two different colors. Just kind of a fun, another fun idea. Our green and orange one is mostly dry. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tape off so you can see, and then we'll let it dry the rest of the way. So this was the one that Alice painted. We're just pulling the tape off, and you'll be able to see her different shapes. Oops. There you go. It's kind of fun, unique design that's a little bit different. For our last block, we're going to show you one more fun idea. So you're going to need a piece of tape. You're just putting it right at the bottom, lining it up, and going through over to your sides like this. And then you're going to take another piece of tape and put that overlapping just a little bit on this one and putting that one around like this. Okay, so I'm going to start at the top. Let's start with the orange. I'm going to just paint with my orange. And it's easiest if you paint with the grain of the wood. So whichever direction the lines are. And this one doesn't have to be totally perfect because we're going to kind of blend these. Okay, so I have my orange on there. It's not dry yet. It doesn't have to dry. We're going to pull off our tape for our second layer, and we're going to add purple. And we're going to start at the bottom with our purple. And we didn't even change our paintbrush. Did you notice that? We're pulling up the purple. And now we're going to pull down some of the orange. So we're kind of mixing the two colors, kind of blending them together. I'm going to rub off some of the paint so I can blend a little bit better. Do you see how we're kind of blending those? It's kind of fun, huh? Now I'm going to add a little bit more purple through the middle. And then I have some, take that tape off. Then I have some extra pink over here. I'm going to put pink down at the bottom here. Again, using my same paintbrush. It's not going to hurt anything to have the same paintbrush. And then I'm going to pull these colors together. So it kind of gives us kind of a rainbowy fill. I'm going to add a little more purple in the middle, just so we really get that purple. Blended in there. And there you go. See how that worked? Isn't that beautiful? What do you think, Alice? You like that? So now we're just going to let that one dry as well. We're all done. We painted and decorated our dream blocks. What was your favorite?
The fox.
The fox. She loves the fox we put on the letter D. There's so many fun embellishments that you can add along with all the unique painting techniques you can do that we showed you in this video. And if you're interested in getting the Creative Girls Club kit, make sure to check out the link in the description. And don't forget to follow Annie's Crafts right here on YouTube for more fun and creative ideas for yourself and your family. We'll see you next time.